going for another night ride on the BMW 1250 GS Adventure. The goal for tonight is I'm going to actually bring my camera with me, like my big camera. I want to actually get some photos if we can. I know we want to just like ride around for a minute, maybe run some errands. We're going to try to find like a book drop off. We have a whole bunch of books and stuff like that. Like you can drop books off and get books back in return, like a trade-off. What? Take a book, leave a book. Yeah. So we're gonna see if we can bring some. We have a whole bunch of books, things like that. So that is the goal. But we're gonna go out, try to have some fun on the BMW, do some tulip riding, hopefully see if we can get some cool footage and see if I can get some photos actually from my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, check out the Instagram. It's linked down below. But we're gonna also be taking, so I'm gonna be using this camera, but I'm gonna also be using the ModTech windscreen phone mount as well. So we're gonna see how this works out. I do have a discount code linked down below if you want to check that out. If you make content, it's a really cool camera setup. So with that being said, let's finish gearing up and get on the road and let's have a fun, interesting night. Let's get it. All right, I'm gonna try out this old helmet setup. This is my old helmet setup, the modular one. I'm gonna be doing another trip next week, and I think I'm gonna take this helmet, but I wanted to like get everything kind of geared up in this helmet again. Like over here, yeah, this is the spot I want to go to right here. Yeah, let me not run this over though. I wanted to take a photo here. Okay, cool. So I finally found the spot that I want to go take some photos at. Now I just gotta unlock the back. Hopefully this camera angle is all right. I have no idea. It's kind of like low. I should probably invert this, but we're gonna live with this for now. So like my camera is a little bit low, but I think we'll make it work for right now. I'm gonna put this back in here, put this guy up. Let's take my lens cap off. See if I can get some shots of this. There's no one in the street. Could you hold this thing really quick? Just that. Thank you. Yeah, this spot over here is kind of wild. It's very, very busy. But I just want to get a couple of shots. Coming at night, I mean, it's a different vibe. There's no one coming. This is like essentially a pretty deadbeat road. Oh, bae, can I get a photo of you in front of the bike? I'm gonna get a photo of you in front of the bike. Why don't you come here and like face off that way? You want to take this off or no? Is it too much? You got it? Okay, let me see. You think you can just get a couple shots of me real quick? I don't know. I'm gonna just kind of... Hang on. I'm gonna just face off this way. Yeah, why don't you step back some? Yeah. How's it looking? Okay, this is probably good. This one's cool. That looks huge. That's crazy. Ooh, I hope this footage isn't super dark because it's like no lights over here. The action cameras don't really do that well. See the difference though with the full frame camera. Actually, don't have to crank the ISO. Just more light can physically go into this camera. That's crazy. But all right, mission accomplished. I got some shots with my camera. I'm gonna load this thing back up. We're gonna figure out where's the next stop because we did not find a books thing. I mean, there's like some that are on like people's property. There's people over there behind you, but I'm looking at them. This area is kind of there's like a lot of people that like just camp out. We're good though. Don't worry, sweetheart, I got us. But yeah, let me say, there's like the book thing is on like people's property. It's a little bit too late and too dark. It would be way too sketchy to do that. So I don't think we're gonna do that. What I think we could do, we could still go downtown Bay. If you want, we could downtown park. You wanna walk by the water for a second or no? We could probably do that. Okay. Yeah. Okay. We could do that. That'd be a quick load. Fun little thing to do. This is locked. We're good. There was still like Grand Prix, the Long Beach Grand Prix was going on, which is kind of crazy. So like all of this is blocked off. I think the truck driver's gonna make a U-turn. I don't know. I'm gonna just like turn around. So I wanted to park over there anyway. But I didn't know if like this was open or not, but I guess it's like not. I want to see if I can park well, probably not where this thing is now. Sorry people, I'm going. Oh, there's people in the thing right now. What's it called? The Laugh Factory, or trying to find out, is there anywhere that we can park? I mean, we could park up like here. Oh, we are on a hill, big dog. I'm gonna have to turn. I'm gonna try to turn and see if I can park over there. Oh, okay. Okay. All that set. It's crazy because you have to do all that. Yeah, I mean, we can cross the street, right? Maybe we should. Well, maybe we should. Hang on. Hopefully this audio is okay. I know my mic is not picking up. We walked across on that side. We never walked across on this side. All right, so we're doing a little adventure. One of the things that I love about motorcycles is because, yeah, I don't think we would have done this if we just had the car. But we're out doing a little venture. Oh yeah, the aquarium's over here. We did walk. We walked over. We just didn't cross the street. I didn't know that there's like a whole furniture store here. That's kind of cool. I know about the mall, convention center, the bridge. We just never came across this way. Let's go for a little walk. There's a giant roach. Yeah, I think I've seen more just giant roaches out and about here than anywhere else.
Not very far. On the street.
Yeah. This is kind of cool. Oh, I can hear something. Yeah, the aquarium. Oh yeah, someone got the pops and bangs. Hopefully you guys can hear me without the mic. Oh, this is so cool. I never came this side to see the Queen Mary. We always see it from the other side. And then also like when we go to like the Queen Mary for all the other stuff. If you want to see like the spooky channel. I have a second channel. It's always linked down below. But it's cool. We can actually see it from this side. I want to get a photo. Maybe I did bring my camera actually, so I can get some shots. Got some photos on my phone. And yeah, just kind of exploring a little bit more. Yeah, so next week I have to do another trip down to Vegas. So I'm going to test out the helmet I was wearing and this kind of new gear. I have this other like hoodie thing on just to see how it feels, and these other boots. So we'll see. So we're just gonna pack up and drive back home. We have a bit of a drive, but we will make it there.